Every year, right around this time, many of you are asking for dishes to serve for dinner that are lighter and fresher tasting. We also know that you're looking for new ideas to cook on your grill. That's why we came up with a dish that fits both of these requests. Let me show you how easy it is. All we do is combine some Dijon mustard with a splash of vegetable oil, some fresh or bottled lemon juice, and a bit of fresh chopped dill. We give it a good mix and add in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You want to make sure you flip them around a bit so they're smothered in the marinade. And now we'll pop them in the fridge so all the flavors can come together. Right before dinner, we throw them on the grill or on a grill pan. Either way, once the chicken browns and is cooked through, it's time to call the troops to the table. Maybe serve them with some green beans, and you've got a dish that screams freshness. To get the recipe for what we call lemon coat chicken, simply check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lemony fresh way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.